Do you need to find out more about your Mk3 Renault Clio's trip computer or how to adjust the brightness of the dashboard? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a Mk3 Renault Clio, and this model here is actually from 2006. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the brightness of both your dashboard and the clock, which is only controllable once the exterior lights are on. And I'm also going to be showing you how to run through each of the items within your trip computer in the middle there, which is nice and easy to do, and it's controlled by these toggle switches here on the edge of your windscreen wiper stalk. So we'll start with the trip computer. So as you can see on the middle there, I've actually got this just set to the odometer, which is saying that this car in particular has done 116,000 miles. And obviously if you're in a metric country, that'll be in kilometers. So I'm just going to show you by using down. It does cycle through, but if we use the down arrow, that takes us to this item here, which is actually saying how many miles until our next oil change. So this doesn't need an oil change for some 12,000 miles. We'll just go ahead and tap down again. And now that is showing our miles per hour, our average miles per hour since last reset. Go down again. And this is the miles undertaken since last reset. Down again. This is our current range until we need fuel again. And then this is the average miles per gallon since we last reset. And that should take us to also the gallons of fuel used since we last reset. And then that takes you all the way back to your odometer there. Now just to go back to, say, if we start on this one here, so this is the miles since we last reset. And I'm just going to go ahead and actually hold in the down arrow. And that now resets to 00. So what that'll actually do is that'll actually reset not only the miles undertaken or the miles driven, but also all of the other items since we last reset as well. So they're all set to 0. So you'll be able to reset that if you're going on a long trip or something, or if you want to monitor how the car's performing over time, you might want to reset that and then have a look after, say, 1,000 miles. Right, lastly, I just want to show you how to change the brightness. So like I say, you can't actually adjust it when you're in the daylight mode and you don't have the exterior lights on. But if we go ahead and turn the lights on, which is just obviously done by that, you'll notice I've turned this right the way down, so it's really dull at the moment. So if you're doing sort of long driving in really dark conditions, you might want to turn that down so it doesn't actually hurt your eyes. But I like mine pretty bright. So just over the right hand side here, we've got a couple of toggle rollers. So we're just going to go ahead and roll the one there, and you can just sort of adjust it forward and back. So if I do it all the way up, that's actually made the dashboard bright again. So what you'll actually end up doing is finding where it's actually the right brightness for you. So there you go, nice simple video for you today. If you found that video helpful or interesting, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.